Hey everyone and welcome back to channel. Today in this video I will show you how to unsubscribe from your Instagram subscription for Meta Verified. So first of all you have to open your Instagram and go to your profile. Here you will see these zero lines on the top. Click on it. Now you have to select the account center and on the bottom you will see subscriptions. Now select Meta Verified and now you have to scroll down and now you have to select your subscription. Here you can see your account and subscription. Now just click on unsubscribe. As you can see that on now just again click on unsubscribe and you will be directed to Play Store where your all the payments are set. And as you can see that the different payments from my card are uploaded here. So what do you have to do that? Now I will click on my Instagram subscription and here here you will see cancel subscription. I can click on cancel subscription. Here you have to give the cause, but you can also select anything according to your need. And now again, click on cancel subscription. And as you can see that the subscription has been unsubscribed. So that was the quick tutorial and don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.